Hi, I'm Danny Sullivan, General Manager at Tech Renovations. We are a fully licensed and insured commercial and residential roofing contractor. In addition, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and a 5-star Google rating. We've been providing exceptional service to residential and commercial customers in both Kansas City and Missouri for over 20 years, and we have a passion for perfection. From roofing inspections to new installations, maintenance or repairs, our highly skilled crew of roofing technicians' attention to detail is what sets us apart from others. We partner with the best roofing manufacturers in the industry, Owens Corning, GAF, CertainTeed, just to mention a few. And every roofing project we complete is backed not only by rock-solid product manufacturer warranties, but also by WeatherTech's own workmanship guarantees. WeatherTech offers a wide variety of quality residential options, from asphalt shingles, clay and concrete tiles. We do slate tiles, wood shake, synthetic, and metal roofing, just to mention a few. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more about our residential and commercial services, view our work, or request a free roofing consultation and estimate. Tech Renovation prides itself on providing every residential and commercial customer with our white glove treatment, and we look forward to providing you with the very best roofing products, services, and satisfaction.